Dear friends, today also we brought you some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including Z Entertainment, Deep Industries, Godfrey Philip, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Benco Hydraulics Limited share is trading around rupees 2,833. Benco Hydraulics announced the stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Benco Hydraulics, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. 22nd August is fixed as the X date and record date. Jost Engineering Company Limited share is trading around rupees 442. Company announced rights issue in the ratio 5:27 at the rate rupees 269. That means if you have 27 shares of Jost Engineering, you can apply for 5 shares at the rate rupees 269. Ex date and record date for the rights issue is fixed as 20th August 2025. To apply for the rights issue, you have to buy the shares of Jost Engineering before 20th August 2025. Suyog Telematics Limited, Suyog, current market price rupees 875. Suyog Telematics announced a dividend of rupees 1.8 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Shetron Limited, current market price rupees 145. Shetron announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited, ZEAL, current market price rupees 116. Z Entertainment announced a dividend of rupees 2.43 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Cantabil Retail India Limited, Cantabil, share is trading around rupees 242. Cantabil Retail announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Bikaji Foods International Limited, Bikaji, current market price rupees 722. Bikaji Foods announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Morpen Laboratories Limited, Morpen Lab, current market price rupees 46. Morpen Laboratories announced a dividend of 20 paise per share. Ex date is fixed as 29th August and record date is fixed as 30th August 2025. Ecos Mobility and Hospitality Limited, Ecos Mobility, current market price rupees 273. Ecos Mobility announced a dividend of rupees 2.4 per share. 20th August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Styrenix Performance Materials Limited, Styrenix, current market price rupees 2,638. Styrenix announced a dividend of rupees 31 per share. 21st August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Thomas Cook India Limited, Thomas Cook, current market price rupees 159. Company announced a dividend of 45 paise per share. 21st August is fixed as the ex date and record date. BSL Limited, BSL, current market price rupees 142. BSL announced a dividend of 80 paise per share. 21st August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Dinacon Systems and Solutions Limited, DSSL, share is trading around rupees 984. DSSL announced a dividend of 50 paise per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Rajesh Power Services Limited, current market price rupees 1,538. Rajesh Power announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex date and record date. Paradeep Phosphates Limited, Paradeep, current market price rupees 200. Paradeep Phosphates announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex date and record date. United Drilling Tools Limited, current market price rupees 204. Company announced a dividend of 60 paise per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. ASM Technologies Limited. Current market price rupees 2,731. ASM Technologies announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Godfrey Phillips India Limited. Current market price rupees 10,182. Godfrey Phillips announced a dividend of rupees 60 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Deep Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 525. Deep Industries announced a dividend of rupees 3.05 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Sandesh Limited. Sandesh. Current market price rupees 1,275. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 22nd August 2025. Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited, IRCTC. Current market price rupees 725. IRCTC announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. LIC Housing Finance Limited. Current market price rupees 569. LIC Housing Finance announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Sai Silks Kalamandir Limited. Kalamandir. Current market price rupees 164. Sai Silks announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 22nd August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Jyoti Labs Limited. Jyoti Lab. Current market price rupees 331. Jyoti Labs announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. 28th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Vijaya Diagnostic Center Limited. Vijaya. Current market price rupees 1,053. Vijaya Diagnostic Center announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 29th August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Triveni Engineering and Industries Limited. Triveni. Current market price rupees 332. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 1st September is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Halder Venture Limited. Current market price rupees 804. Halder Venture announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Halder Venture, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex-date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 1st September 2025. Upcoming IPOs. Gem Aromatics Limited. Face value rupees 2 per share. Price band rupees 309 to 325. Lot size 46 shares. IPO opens on 19th August and closes on 21st August 2025. Tentative allotment date 22nd August. Initiation of funds 25th August. Credit of shares to demat account 25th August. Listing date 26th August 2025. Gem Aromatics Limited. Incorporated in October 1997, Gem Aromatic Limited manufactures specialty ingredients including essential oils, aroma chemicals, and value-added derivatives in India with over 2 decades of experience. The company offers various products from mother ingredients to value-added derivatives. The company's products are used in oral care, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, wellness, pain management, and personal care. The company provides a total of 70 products categorized into 4 distinct groups, which include mint and its derivative, clove and its derivatives, other synthetic and natural ingredients. In fiscal 2025, the company serves 225 customers and 44 international customers across 18 countries, including America, Asia, Africa, and Australia. This is the balance sheet of Gem Aromatics for the last 3 years. All the figures are in crores. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.